Namaste friends. Today we shall see a wonderful winter snack which exactly tastes like our popcorns. They will be so tasty and especially very much liked by our kids. We can make them as a sweet or even a spicy snack. As you can see them, these are called full makhana or puffed lotus seeds or fox nuts. We can simply roast them in a tablespoon of ghee and enjoy. They are rich source of fiber, proteins, calcium, and also other vitamins and minerals. So as the ghee melts, simply put these fox nuts into the ghee and roast them for just 4 to 5 minutes. Stir them well in low flame so that they nicely get coated on all the sides with ghee. And then switch off the stove and leave them to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can enjoy. They will turn very crisp and exactly taste like popcorns. We can mildly spice them using some turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and little bit of salt. Add these spices after roasting in ghee towards the end. Our kids will be very happy to take these roasted fox nuts as snack to the school, because they always feel very odd to take our Indian snacks, especially in US. Since these appear like popcorns, they are very convenient to take them to school. Sweet version would be to add these ghee roasted fox nuts into the melted jaggery syrup. Add some dry roasted sesame seeds and stir them well. Allow the syrup to thicken a bit and then add these nuts. Serve them hot to your kids and they are sure to love them. We can make chiwda or mixture type of snack also using these lotus seeds. First dry roast them in a pan. Also dry roast the thin red rice flakes or poha. Pour some wood pressed groundnut oil or sesame seed oil to the pan. Add some groundnuts. Roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the red chilies. Then we can add other items of our choice like roasted split chickpeas, cashew nuts, coconut pieces. Then washed and shade dried curry leaves can also be added. Stir the ingredients well. Then add our dry roasted lotus seeds. Then add some Himalayan rock salt and organic turmeric powder. Stir all the ingredients well and our basic mixture recipe is ready. Then additions can be made as per our choice, like dry roasted red rice flakes can be added, or ghee roasted gond katira can be added, that is edible gum can be added. All these extra additions are our choice depending on the availability of ingredients we have and also our preference. Stir the whole mixture well in low flame, and after 2 to 3 minutes we can switch off the flame. We may add little black pepper powder as well, or even red chili powder if you like the mixture to be more spicier. And little bit of powdered rock sugar can also be added if you like little bit of sweet taste in it. So just customize the mixture as per the liking of your family members and enjoy this sweet and spicy healthy snack. If you feel them little dry to consume, then we can also enjoy them with other liquid items like nut milks, sambar, curry, etc. Just sprinkle over them and enjoy even during lunch or dinner times. Thank you.